Hi, my name is Catalina and this is my investment journey on eToro. I chose eToro for my investment actually because of the power of community. There is a quote from former Colombian coach Peckerman. He's actually from Argentina. He always said, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. That always stays with me. The power of community is absolutely incredible. My investment strategy is actually low drawdowns because more than assets, what is the final objective for me is to have low drawdowns. If you have a low drawdown of 2-3%, you can recuperate that quite quickly. But 20, 30, that takes a lot more. So basically it's low drawdowns. The hardest part of my investment journey was starting to get away with that friction, to start building traction, to start getting more and more confident in what I'm doing. That for me was the most difficult part. I liked it since the beginning. I knew that social investment, at least for me, was very powerful because I'm a very social person. So I believe on it since the beginning. I have always loved that aspect. So more than a moment, it has been a conviction that has been part of me always. Wow, the most valuable lesson that I learned was I'm already a very responsible person, but when you're dealing with other people's money, managing that is such an important and such a big responsibility. So it's something that I honor, and it's something that, as Spider-Man says, with great power comes great responsibility. So I really appreciate that, and that was my first learning. Well, for changes in the market, actually, if you don't have any strategy already for it, it's too late when things happen. So you need to have a vision for it looking forward. My strategy actually isn't a strategy that takes that into account. It's a strategy that's actively managed. It's not that I buy, keep it for ages. No. I manage my things actively. So that helps me and gives me the opportunity and the flexibility to go short and long, whatever is necessary based on market conditions. Somebody should copy me because I'm an extremely responsible person. I really appreciate and treasure the responsibility that I have in my hands managing other people's money. For me, every cent that I have is hard-earned. You can expect from me tons of responsibility, hard work. Also, you can expect a person that is using a lot of data, numbers. I don't let sentiment, even though I'm a Latin person, get into the picture. The numbers tell you the story if you know how to look for them.